in Tirana anymore. We have made our way south to a city called Vlore. We've been here for a little while, but to be honest, we've kind of been beach bums. Our Airbnb is literally right on the beach. One of the first things that we did here is we did take a pirate ship to an island. At this peninsula, which is right across the bay from Vlore. It's very beautiful. It's different than where we're staying. It's a pebble beach, not a sand beach. The water is crystal clear. It's very calm. It's very beautiful. We're gonna find the whimsy and have a beautiful day. Oh my word. They're so cute. I know. Although we've been enjoying the beach, we did make it into town several times. I want to show you guys a little bit of our trip into town.
So this is basically like an abandoned Disney park thing, but it would be super cool if it was like 20 years earlier and it wasn't COVID, because there's actually some people actually here. Before there was nobody.
Yeah, this place is super interesting. When we first walked through it a couple weeks ago, we just thought it was completely abandoned, but now today there's people actually riding some of the rides. Not exactly sure how well they're inspected. It still looks very abandoned, but...
Getting grass for, there's some adorable rabbits over there, and there's 3 of them. But they're not very well cared for, so that's why we give them these grasses and stuff.
Well, I'm sure they're taken care of, but we just want to give them some... Extra love.
Extra.
This area is super cute. We're not exactly sure what it is. It's in the center of town. It's just all this overgrown green trees and flowers. It smells amazing. But then there's where you can play chess.
I'm trying to beat Daddy for once at chess.
Are you succeeding?
Not really.
I think you have him stumped almost now. And also all of these old bunkers that they turned into really colorful art installations. So, super fun.
So Vlore used to be the capital of Albania before Tirana. It's actually a really old city. It's been around for a real long time. There's not many remnants of the old city left.
Probably the oldest thing in the city is the mosque, right?
Yeah, from the 16th century.
Really enjoyed these last few weeks of just kind of resetting, relaxing, enjoying beautiful creation. Flashback Friday.
Flashback.
On a Sunday.
But it's Wednesday.
In the city of town. In the city of town.
Vloggy, Taliki, Porky Baba.
Also the people.
People are great.
The people taste great.
Service and food.
Yeah, the people are the food. What?
This place is the Bomb Digre.
The bomb diggity. Enter the hat. Now you will never escape.
Buckets of fun. A swashbuckling time. Swashbuckling good time. Oh, there's a bee. Oh, bee. Stay tuned. So yeah. So yeah.